Hello again. This is setting up my lesson planner at the secondary level, video 3 for editing your Eduphoria profile. So as we get started, let me close out this PowerPoint, and remember you're going to go to the Eduphoria login page. The Eduphoria login page is a.schoolobjects.com. Remember, we need to be using Google Chrome in order to eliminate any problems there. Your sign-in is your email, so I'm going to sign in with my test email where I have be set up as a teacher so I can demonstrate. Put in my password and click sign in. Remember, you're going to wind up at this landing page. We're primarily working in Forethought, but today, before we even get into Forethought, we are going to do one thing called Edit My Profile. If you are coming back from a new year, and you may have changed classes or grade levels or something like that, that sort of thing, or if you just need to update because there's been some changes, or if you're a new teacher, it's automatically going to launch you into My Profile. So if you're already in Eduphoria, you'll click on My Profile. If you're a new teacher, it's automatically going to come up to this if you've just been entered into Eduphoria. You can see my first name is Awesome, my last name is Teacher. There's my email address, and at this point I'm working in the Gateway Academy one, so I am a part of the Sierra Vista. If you are a Sierra Vista teacher, you click there. If you are a Town Lake, you click here. If you're an administrator, you would actually click here, and that will give you access to both of them. So you click on your appropriate campus. You can upload an image of yourself. I'm not going to do that today, but let's say I've done all that and that's all correct. I would click Next. I'm going to identify who I am, my teacher, paraprofessional, principal, vice principal, superintendent, assistant superintendent, or other. Your other would be like your PSP or any other people you have coming on to campus that would be contractual. Click Next, and you're going to tell what subject areas you teach in. Just click on the ones that are there. You can click as many or as few as you want, or as appropriate to your campus. Click Next. You're going to pick the grade levels. For us, we're all going to pick 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. Because we're secondary and we're high school, we can teach a little bit of all of these, so you're going to want all 4 of those checked in order to have an accurate planner. Click Next, and it's going to ask you to set up a security question. I've already set mine up, so I'm not going to do anything here. I'm not going to suggest changing my password or anything like that. If you did want to change your password, this is where you would go in and you do it, is in your profile. It's not going to let me go on, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter it for me. That was my childhood nickname. So click Next, and then it's going to ask, is this your first year to teach on the campus where you will be appraised? For some of you, the answer may be yes if you're a new teacher. If you were here last year, then the answer is going to be no. Save changes, and it takes you back to this landing page. It is that simple to update your profile. It's located down here at the bottom towards the middle, and then you're ready for the next step. Thank you so much.